Hello! Here in Europe, the trading week of July 29 is about to start, and today I am taking a look at 5 European semiconductor stocks just before market open. My name is Jimmy Lepping. I'm a psychologist and statistician with a range of interests that I talk about on this YouTube channel, including the financial markets. So there has been talk that the recent corrections in semiconductor stocks are temporary and that a recovery is inevitable. Yet in this video I take a look at 5 European large cap semiconductor stocks and show a mixed picture regarding the recovery potential. The 5 semiconductors that I'm taking a look at in this video are Infineon, ST Microelectronics, ASML, ASM International and BE Semiconductor Industries. And I start with ASML. Last week, ASML briefly reached a point that was just over 20% lower than the recent peak, which according to some heuristics is a bearish indicator. We saw that a recent upward trend, here indicated by the green dashed line, got broken, and we had a tense moment around 800, which we hit a while ago as well. Following a green day last Friday, there is a reasonable chance that we see somewhat of a recovery from this region around 800 up, but if we break below that green line around 800, it is quite possible that we see a retreat all the way to the low 700s, which is not to say that a further move down would stop there or would necessarily go to the low 700s in the first place. It is just to indicate that this is a first area of support based on recent data. Next, ASM International also had a good move down recently. However, the recent uptrend has not yet been broken. Also, the horizontal green line here indicates that there is an area we are actually around an area of support. So we have two indicators that appear to point in favor of somewhat of a recovery. However, should we see a break below the horizontal green line, the next support area may be found in the lower 500s. Next, BE Semiconductor Industries. This one is currently down over 30% from its peak a few months ago. And we see a pattern of lower highs and lower lows, which is indicative of a downtrend. There is a reasonable possibility that we see a recovery here, given that we had a recovery around this level not so long ago. But if we see a break through that support around the 120 line, it could well lose another 10% or so. Next, Infineon. Here we see somewhat of a sideways trading pattern. If we remain in this box, we have quite some upside potential from here. However, if we break below this box, this one could easily lose another 10% or so. And finally, to provide an example that it is not all that clear that we will see a recovery in the semiconductor space, here ST Microelectronics. This one was already in a downtrend for a while, and after last week's earnings update, it broke that downtrend to the downside. That was last Thursday, and then on Friday it extended that move down. This one clearly lost its support around 35, and it is currently set to dive below 30. But let's see what this trading week brings. Okay, that's it for this quick video on European semiconductor stocks. Happy trading, happy investing, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates on this channel.